this is the material that I have to build the bed. I have enough to build like about 6. I got $400 worth of material. I'll be able to build those beds.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, final product. My boy and I, we did one bed out of 6 or 5, I don't know. So this is 2x8, 2x6, and I put a 2x4 here for the edging. Probably have to reinforce with a few more screws, but other than that, that's going to be a 6x4 bed. And I'm saving a lot of money. Each one that I was trying to buy, at Tractor Supply, they were like almost $200 each, $180, and they were way more smaller than that. So I think I can make 5 or 6 of them for about $400-500 rather than $1,000. All right, this is it. Let's do a few more, and let's go back to work. Bentley, you okay? Alright, so I finished those guys. So I built a total of 3 of them, 6x4. And I had to do a 4x4. This is a 4x4 that would be going in the corner. They are very heavy, and this is how I transport them. Let's go.